Hello friends, welcome to Just For You channel. Today in top 5 product listing video, I discuss about list of 5 best split AC with inverter technology on Amazon. So you can choose your best AC brand for your home in this summer. Those are very useful and in your budget. In this video, I also discuss those features and specifications. So let's talk about it. Number 1. Voltas 5-star inverter split AC. Voltas inverter split AC comes with white color body with copper condenser. This product also comes with variable speed compressor which adjusts power depending on heat load. Its capacity power has 1.5 ton and it is suitable for medium sized rooms like 111 to 150 square feet. This AC comes with 5-star energy rating and also has inverter technology, so it is most energy efficient and save your electricity bill. It also has antibacterial filter, dust filter and air purifier. This product also comes with 1-year warranty on product, 1-year warranty on condenser and 5-year warranty on compressor. So it is very good product for your medium sized room. Number 2. Carrier 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Carrier 5-star inverter split AC comes with white color body and its capacity power has 1.5 ton. So it is suitable for medium sized rooms like 101 to 150 square feet. This product also comes with variable speed compressor which adjusts power depending on heat load. This AC comes with inverter technology, so it is energy efficient. Its voltage capacity has 230 volts. It comes with copper condenser coil, so it gives you better cooling experience with low maintenance cost. This product also comes with 1-year warranty on product, 1-year warranty on condenser and 10 years warranty on compressor. So it is comfortable product for your family. Number 3. LG 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. LG 5-star inverter split AC comes with copper condenser, so it gives you better cooling experience with low maintenance. It also comes with inverter technology with 5-star rating, so it is most energy efficient and save your electricity bill. It provides very low noise during operation. Its capacity has 1.5 ton and suitable for medium sized rooms like 101 to 150 square feet. This product also comes with 1-year warranty on comprehensive and 10 years warranty on compressor with gas charging. So it is comfortable product for your family. Number 4. Samsung 1.5 ton 3-star inverter split AC. This Samsung split AC comes with white color body with 1.5 ton capacity and its energy rating is 3-star. It is suitable for medium sized rooms. This product comes with alloy condenser coil which gives you more cooling experience, and also company gives you 5 years warranty on condenser and 10 years warranty on compressor. This Samsung inverter split AC is most energy efficient for its own inverter technology. Its voltage capacity has 240 volts. It has quick and easy clean filter and get fast and stay cool without direct. So it is very nice product for your medium sized room. Number 5. Hitachi 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Hitachi 5-star inverter split AC comes with copper condenser coil that can give you better cooling experience for your room. Its capacity power has 1.5 ton and it is suitable for medium sized rooms like 101 to 150 square foot. This product also comes with 1-year warranty on product, 1-year warranty on condenser and 5 years warranty on compressor. It provides R410A refrigerant gas. This AC also comes with ISR value of 4.7, so it is energy efficient and comfortable for your medium sized room. Now you enjoy good health in every breath. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up below. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Get upcoming video notification in your mailbox. Feel free to comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.